So the cool thing about wilderness lakes here is they have these, they call them canals. Kind of in between the rows of campsites. So here's one of them. So definitely a lot of waterfowl that live here. A lot of geese, ducks. What else? Russian ducks?
Chinese.
Oh,
geese.
Chinese geese. So, but they got a little playground here, and we were just in the clubhouse over there. We did some air hockey. They got a pool table in there.
On the other side of this is the pool.
Yeah. What else is in the lodge there? Pool table, air hockey.
Where you get your activities.
Yeah.
So if you want to do like mini golf or what were we just talking about? Sandbags.
Oh, cornhole.
Cornhole. Then you have to go into the little activity
Yeah,
center.
the activity center.
And go ask for whatever you want.
Yeah, but they have quite a few activities planned. Candy bar bingo on Saturdays. They had a band last night.
Price is Right next week.
Yeah, they got some
whatever
Price
that
is Right
means.
thing.
Karaoke. You already said karaoke.
No, I didn't. I think I said bingo. We should walk back up and film the pool.
Okay.
All right. Jim decided to bail on us. So we'll do a little walking
he
tour.
just didn't know that we were going to go all the way back.
So again, there's the canal. And all the spots are
Pretty big.
Fairly large. We're on, I don't know what, I'm not good with directions as far as north, south, east, and west.
We're on like the east end.
But the side we're on, behind the canals.
Number 7.
Yeah, no, we're spot number 7. All the spots are fairly big, but there is a section over towards the back that are more like back-to-back spots. But we drove by yesterday, a little bit more ghetto, maybe is the right word. But
so laundry will be somewhere over here.
But yeah, more back to back. They were still good size, just not quite as nice as the ones that we're at over.
Yeah, laundry is over here in this building.
Okay, so maybe we'll go check out laundry after.
Okay.
So we'll go to the pool. So the pool is right off of the main family lodge. They actually have 2 pools. One is closed right now because technically it's fall, winter. So, but there is an additional pool and 1 hot tub over the other way. So here's the pool. Try not to film other people. Get through the bars there.
So, pool, little kiddie pool, and then there's 2 hot tubs over here.
A lot of nice chairs and a nice patio area, and
there's shade over here under the...
And a bathhouse right there.
And a bathhouse, yeah. Hello. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
And then the nice little patio area here with tables and...
Say again?
I like your camera.
Oh,
thank you.
How is that?
Here, can we pause it? Some lady was interested in our camera, so we had to stop so she could check it out. And we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
There's also mailboxes here that you can sign up for.
Well, yeah, they don't get packages here. Like some Thousand Trails, you can get packages from Amazon and stuff, but not here. You got to sign up for
whatever locker it is.
Parcel Post or something. I don't know.
But if you're already part of it.
Yeah, we're only here 11 days, so we didn't do that. So apparently there's how many different laundries?
2.
2 different laundries. So we're going to go check one of them out now. But they also have cabins here that you can rent. So a whole bunch of cabins right along this row. Tons of trash cans placed throughout the park, which I always appreciate, especially if you have a dog and need to walk. I hate having to carry around a bag of poop a whole bunch. So tons of just dumpsters, and they have dog waste bins and just trash cans all throughout the park. So makes it super, super nice. All right, We'll catch you in the laundry room. Okay, walking up to the laundry room, sandwiched between restroom facilities. So somebody with their electric car out here, they always spook me in the sound they make.
Sounds like the gates to heaven.
All right. So laundry hours, 9 to 9, so not 24 hours.
Front loading top loading washers.
So how many
Different,
washers?
4.
4 washers,
6.
6 dryers. 4 washers, 6 dryers. Looks like you can tap to pay or do the Wash app, which I believe I already have. So it looks like $2.75
Oh, I kind of like that.
to
That you can
wash.
just tap it.
Probably goes up if you do a different. Yeah, $3 if you do an ultra load.
You're not.
Oh, sorry. So yeah, $3 if you want to do an ultra load. And then $2 1/4 to dry. So pretty cool. Air conditioned.
Ah, that is not what I meant to do. There we go.
And I'm pretty sure I have the wash app already.
Jet wash. Or you can get a card.
No, I already have the wash app.
Well, I'm saying for the video though,
Oh, I thought you were typing me.
you can also get a card at the little machine. $10 to buy a new card. So, just so y'all know.
Okay, look, I have $3.85 on it.
Nice. We'll be able to start one load.
Awesome. And it's supposed to rain in the next couple days, so
We'll be up here
we
doing
will
laundry.
have to come on over and do laundry. So these spots are kind of back to back, but we think most, well, not all.
Well,
that
this one's an
not.
annual
That
spot.
one's an annual. So a lot of these, I think, with these white fences might be annual.
Well, no, because these aren't. This
So
one's not.
You do have some more back-to-back sites here. But again, they are all fairly large, and
This one's an annual.
I think, I don't know the exact count, but I know there's over 500 spots total in here. And I believe Wilderness Lakes is like the second, what did you look up? It's the second busiest. Thousand for us. So we've been quite happy with it. We're gonna take you over one of the little bridges.
Hopefully, if
that
we can
go
find
over all the
it.
canals, yeah. We're kind of far away from our spot, so we might be lost. I thought I lost my glasses.
The ones you stole.
Yeah, see, that's an annual.
All of them are down, basically. I think most of these are. This one's not. With this sandstorm. This one's not.
Like,
They're
you can
kinda-
show 'em all.
They're kind of scattered. Like, I think most are, some not. Oh.
They're still recording.
Yeah. There's one of the cabins.
Yep.
I would go peek in there, but all the blinds are closed.
Okay.
Here's the bridge.
Oh yeah.
See, I would almost want to. I really want to see inside of these.
Huge. Sometimes they're lining.
I thought you were gonna say sometimes they're unlocked.
They might be, but then you take the chance of somebody being there. Now look at all the ducks.
Another little park.
A lot of mallards in this part of the canal.
You can actually go up to the store and buy duck food.
We're gonna film a little bit of the ducks. Just don't drop the camera. I'm not sure what that lady is saying.
I don't know either. I wish we had gotten duck food. Hell, I might run up with 50 cents to the little store and
Yeah?
get some duck food. I'll take the camera with me. One little bird over here. You can see the other fountain thing, whatever it is.
I don't know that there maybe one there are fountains.
They make the water go.
I don't know if you want to walk that little path that
Sure.
way.
Or just go straight.
This row, the 300 row, that spot is 329, 327. All big pull-through spots. So, if you need a pull-through, they got those too. Now we got to figure out about how to get back to our
How to
camp.
get back.
And we're spot 7. We're in the 230s now.
Thought that was 300. This is
Oh,
329.
300. Oops, my bad. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We're going to go try to find more bridges to walk over. So these are more nice big sites that back up onto one of the canals. I mean, just huge and giant.
Lots of space.
And a lot of empty spots right now. I mean, like, look at this one. This one is ginormous. Spot number 87.
You can see the bridge right there too.
And it's a well-maintained park, I feel like. Not a lot of
Trash.
garbage, and everything is neat, and you don't see a lot of dog poop laying around.
The only downside is a lot of goose poop,
A lot of goose poop.
but you can't really control that.
But like these sites right along here, back up to your water, like that big old Brinkley's got their deck down. We haven't put our deck down yet.
I'm hoping Dad does.
Well, probably won't now with the rain coming.
Well, maybe tonight. I bet if I asked him, he would.
Look, and there we are.
Found another bridge. Hello.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
And show them where our spot is over there.
Right there. Not a lot of ducks over here
Nope.
right now. That's the store down there.
Yeah, we went in there today. Not a whole lot in there.
Not a whole lot. There, it's still a work in progress, it kind of looks like. There's another bridge down there. So there's probably like 3, 4 bridges.
Yeah, probably.
Robin Trish's spot's empty.
Yep. That's probably a napping.
Yeah. Trash can over there. Here's some more ducks.
We had a parade come through yesterday.
Dad might have to insert that video. Because that was
We were
freaking
sitting outside
funny.
playing games, and like all of a sudden, like just geese and mallards
Just
everywhere.
all. Home again, home again. Jiggity frog.